Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Nu, and this week home activity is making a bird nest using, if you have paper plates at home, napkins, white papers, or you can use newspapers, any papers you want. Because this week's story is about bird build a nest. So we're gonna make a nest using all these materials. And you can have your scissors ready too. So first of all, I will use the white paper first. And I will cut them into different strips of papers. You can do any size you want, like this. You don't need to use the whole paper, but if you want, you can use the whole paper. I would just cut half of it, and I would just put all of them together, and I will fold them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I fold them, and then I would just take them apart, put them on the plates, making like a nest. Okay? And if you don't want white papers, you can use napkins or paper towel. So I tear them out. Like I said, you don't have to finish them. If you want, you can do it, finish them, but I will do half. And that is my nest. For another way of making nests is you can go outside and you can pick up some small branches from the tree or leaves, and you can make a nest for the real bird. So this is my nest. There you go. All right, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.